This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Android phone to your TCL TV. So the first thing you want to do is just swipe down from the top right and then go over to your Wi-Fi. Make sure your TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you don't have them connected, you won't be able to sync them up together. Then what you want to do is go down from the top right and go to these different buttons. There should be an option to screen mirror under here. Could be called something like Smart View or something on your Samsung phone, or on my TV it could be called like a Cast or Screen Mirror or something like that. So you can see I have this option for casting, so I can just go to this, and then I have my Google TV on here, which TCL runs, and I can simply just tap it right here and then go to Cast Entire Screen. And then you can mirror your phone over to your TV, or you can just do an individual app. So look for that option under here. On Samsung it might be a little bit different. We have Smart View, I believe, is what we need to go to, and that should find your Google TV on here as well. So your TCL TV should be like Google TV and then a bunch of different numbers. So if you don't have that as an option, you need to get Google Home. So you can go to the Google Play Store. You probably already have it since you have an Android device, but just type in Google Home and then set this up. So Google Home, get this app right here, Google Home, open this up. Then what you want to do is create a home space, or wherever it says on the screen. Once you create your home setup, you can see you can go back to home right here, go back to home, then go to this little box up here. You got your favorites, then you got this. Here's all my local devices on my network. I got my Google TV, bunch of numbers. I can press this, and then I can go to cast my screen, cast now. Entire screen, cast now. And then your phone should be displaying on your TV right now. So two different ways to do it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.